Hello, I'm Taylor Willingham with the Willingham Law Firm, and I am going to teach you how to file an LLC. Now, I'm not encouraging you not to go to an attorney, but most people that I run into are looking to file a business, but they can't afford an attorney. If you're in that boat, maybe you need some help just getting the first formation documents filed so you can get your LLC information so you could open a bank account. And now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to go to this board and we're going to go to my computer and we're looking around and what first that we want to do is we want to get here and we want to go and look at SOS Direct. Now SOS Direct is the Secretary of State's website, but this is probably where you're going to go first. Actually it will be, is sos.state.tx.us, and it's going to send you to this site. All right. Now, if you go under here under business filings, you're going to find out that there's an SOS Direct online searching and filing. You can sign up and you can do all this online. Or if you want to save some money, you can call and do some information and also get these forms online. And I'll take you through both processes. But let's go here to SOS Direct, and I already have this up. It's gonna pull you in here, and if you don't have an account, you're gonna have to set up an account. But I have an account, so I'm gonna enter my information here. And I'm going to go in and try to set up a business. So here we go. The first thing that you're going to do is you continue your client account and everything. I'm an attorney, so I'm going to have this information. You probably don't want to set up an account if you're not an attorney because you'll never come back or do anything. You can call in and get this information. But first and foremost, you got to find out if the name that you are using is available. Now, one important thing is your name cannot be similar to another name unless you get permission from that company to set up a company. Now, this is for this purpose because we don't want to mix up people that are out there. We don't want to have people who are running a business and all of a sudden they get sued and they have no relation to this person, and the only reason they're being sued is because the names are so close. So you type in right here, you type in whatever name it's going to be, and you click search. I don't want to do this because I don't want to pay $1 to do this. I'm kind of cheap, so we're not going to do that right now. But you type in your name there, and you'll get your information whether or not. If you're going to do it online, it's very simple. You can do everything here, and you just go in here and click on filling everything out, and you can do on filing everything online and get everything done online. But most people are going to do it this way. They're going to come in and they're going to go in here and they're going to go to forms and filings. You're going to go, see, I went there to forms and filing, and then I'm going to go to here to business and nonprofit forms. Click right there, and then you're going to see, well, we're doing a limited liability company. Notice it says right here to be a 205 number 205 form. It's called the Certificate of Formation for a Limited Liability Company. Now below here is a certificate of formation for a professional limited liability company. It's important to understand the difference. If you're an attorney or if you are a CPA or you're a doctor, you're a professional. So you're going to file professional limited liability company. If you're not, you're just going to file this regular form. Now, if you're a doctor, I would go to an attorney to do this. So I'm going to assume that you're not, that you have the $300 and that's it to file this, and that's what you're going to do is spend the $300 instead of hiring an attorney. So you come in here, there's going to be instructions to tell you how to do everything. Notice we're going through all this instruction right here, and you're going to get down here and notice the filing fee. It's $300. That's what you got to pay the state in order to be able to have your company and be protected. Just put in here whatever you want to do. Good man, company, yes sirree, or whatever your LLC. Okay, notice it says right here you need to put the LLC in there, a limited liability company. The next thing that you need to do is pick a registered agent. Who's going to be your registered agent? Registered agent is a person that's going to receive any kind of information like taxes or other information if you're going, for example, if you're going to be sued or they can't find you. The registered agent is in charge of making sure that you get the proper legal notices and information. Down here, you're going to come down to, and there's going to be a question: is limited liability company will have managers? Will not have managers. A limited liability company doesn't have to have managers. If you're doing this by yourself, you're probably going to say it's not going to have managers. You just put yourself in there. But if you do, maybe you say there are managers. That would be something you discuss with an attorney. But if it's just you, you're just filing, just say I don't have managers and put your information in here and type it in. And then you're going to come down to this form. What's the purpose of your company? And you can provide information in there for what you're going to be doing, just so they know what kind of business that you run. The name and address of the organizer, type in the name and the street address and the information. This is you. When do you want it effective? Unless you know a specific date that you want it effective, just say when the Secretary of State gets this information. You fill out the rest, print it off, sign it, and you send it in with a check, and you'll be good. Now, the only thing I would be careful of is if you're sending in the check, you can send in $300. If you're going to do it online, though, you're going to have to pay not only $300, but you're also going to have to pay the state's filing fee, which is kind of interesting because it's against the law for me or you to charge a fee for using a credit card online or even in your business. That's a business tip right there. It is against the law for you to charge a fee to use a credit card. However, the government can do that if they want to. But that's basically how you would set up the actual LLC and get it filed with the state. Notice I'm not talking about how you get your EIN number. To get your EIN number, you got to go to irs.gov and go to irs.gov, and in here, go up here to search EIN number, go search. Oh, let's go search right there. Apply for an employer identification number. This is the number that you'll need. You go in here, apply online now, and you can walk yourself right through this application process. It's pretty simple. It's self-explanatory, and that's how you do it. So that would give you an EIN number. It give you a certificate of formation. That gives you the basics to get started as a business in Texas. However, if you want more complex, you want to talk about some things, whether or not you should actually get into business, you can give my firm a call, the Willingham Law Firm, and we'll be happy to assist you. But that's basically how you form LLC in the state of Texas.